In this Workana review, I'm going to be showing you this freelancing website and I'm going to be telling you if you guys can really make money using Workana. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Workana is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally making me $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, if you want to get this free guide, check the first link in the description. It is an absolutely free guide. So what is Workana? So Workana is basically a freelancing website just like Fiverr and Upwork. So the thing about Workana is that it is less competitive when you compare it to website like Fiverr and Upwork because the competition on Workana is very less. So the thing about Workana is even though it is a freelancing website, only Latin Americans can only work here. So that is kind of like a disadvantage in Workana. So if you want to work, you have to go to I want to work area and you have to just click here that you want to work and you can fill up all the information and all of that and you're done. And you can see some of the testimonials of clients. You can go to it if you want to, and suppose let me show you all the jobs that you can find here. So press here and just explore the jobs, the projects. So these are some of the projects that you can be doing. So the thing about Workana is it is very less competitive. So for a beginner or a freelancer beginner, if you're new to freelancing or anything like that, for you in order to work in a website like Workana is gonna be easy. I'm going to be telling you why. So suppose if you click on writing and translation, and if you go for translation, you can see all these jobs. So as you can see, only 2 bids are there for the job. So in order to like take up a job, all you have to do is like you have to place a bid. So you're going to be getting paid less than $50 for this bid right over here. So only 2 people have bid on this. So maybe the bidding system in which you will probably get about $10 to $20. That's what I am going to be guessing, but still the bids are really low. So if you look at this English to Spanish children's story translation, and they are paying up to $100 to $250, and you can place a bid here, only 7 bids. So that's what's crazy about Workana. But if you look at Fiverr and Upwork, maybe probably more than 100 people will probably take up a work, so are ready to take up a work. But in a website like Workana, there are a lot of jobs that you can be getting, but the problem is that it is only for Latin Americans, and only Latin Americans can be a freelancer in this website. So if you go down, as you can see, it is less than $50, only 6 bids, then only 2 bids. So the person who actually did the job listing, what they do is they check on your experience and how good you are, and based on that they are going to choose you. If you're lucky enough, you can be chosen way more than most people. If you have pretty good skills, you can get there. And you can see it's all good to $50 to $500 for translating. So that's pretty good. All you have to do is like you have to go through all of this, and they're saying between 1,000 to 5,000 words you have to go through this. And if you can do it, I think you should go for it. And again, $500 to $1,000, only 7 bids. So if you're a Latin American, you guys can definitely make some money. So let's go to all categories just to show you guys. So 8 hours before this was posted, 16 hours ago, 2 hours ago, and 0 bids. So only 2 bids, 1 bids, then 0 bids, then 0 bids, then 1 bid. So the competition is kind of less for a freelancer here. So for a Latin American, this is like really recommended. If you're not from there, this isn't for you, but I overall think it is an amazing website. Okay guys, I have forgot to mention this. You can work, so You can help clients on the basis of IT and programming, design and multimedia, writing and translation, sales and marketing, admin support, legal, finance and management, engineering and manufacturing. So all of this, if you're good at any of the skills, I would suggest you can go as a freelancer on Workana. So it's great. But if you think you don't have the skills, these skills are like not that difficult for you guys to study. It doesn't take a lot of time, like sales and marketing, admin support. I'm pretty sure you guys can work as a virtual assistant, and even writing and translation. It doesn't need a lot of professional skills. You guys can definitely go for it. But overall, what I would like to say about Workana is still a job. So it is not going to make you rich or whatsoever. Maybe you can get 5 or 6 bits, or maybe up to 10 or 15 bits per month, but that's obviously not going to make you like crazy rich or anything. But it can pay your bills and whatsoever and all of that stuff. I've been reviewing all these a lot of website, and I do think Workana is an amazing platform for Latin Americans. So that's basically it for this video of Workana. If you want to check out my recommended strategy that is making me over $5,000 to $10,000 a month, it's a free guide. If you want to check it out, you can click the first link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.